Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about one of the most essential tools in music production, quantizing in Ableton Live 12. Whether your MIDI notes or audio clips are just a little offbeat, quantizing can help tighten things up. Let's get right into it. First is open your Ableton Live 12 app. To quantize, you click a music you want to quantize. Find the wrap, click the transform, click the grid and select what note you want to use. But pay attention on what loop is playing, make sure to select right note to use. You can use also triplets, just click the triplets. And that's how you quantize in Ableton Live 12. Whether you're cleaning up a MIDI performance or tightening audio samples, quantization is a huge time saver and creative tool. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and keep making great music.